In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view deleted or voided invoices or bills in Xero within just 5 minutes. If you've ever found yourself needing to track down a deleted or voided invoice, this guide is for you. Let's get started by logging into your Xero account. First, head over to the Xero login page. You'll need to enter your email and password. If you've forgotten your login details, there's an option to reset them. Once you've inputted your credentials, click on the login button to access your Xero dashboard. This is your starting point for navigating through your accounting software. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the Business tab. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu. Find and select Invoices to view your invoice activity. It's important to note that you can delete invoices that are still in the draft or awaiting approval status, so if you need to take that action, ensure these are the statuses of your invoices. Now for invoices that are in draft status, click on the draft option. You'll see a list of invoices in this category. Select the invoice you want to delete and then click on the delete option. A confirmation window will appear. Click OK to confirm the deletion. This step helps prevent accidental deletion. Next, navigate to awaiting approval. This section includes invoices submitted but not yet authorized. Choose an invoice from the list and proceed with the same process. Select the invoice, click delete and confirm by clicking OK. For invoices that have already been processed or approved, proceed by clicking on all. This option will display every invoice regardless of its status. Find the specific invoice you're interested in. To void it, click on the 3 dots located beside the invoice details. This action will bring up more options. Select void from the available actions. Voiding an invoice ensures that it remains within the records but is marked as non-payable. This is particularly useful for keeping accurate records while ensuring that the invoice is not counted towards your current accounts payable. A confirmation prompt will appear once you choose void. Confirm your action by clicking void once more. This step is crucial for preventing any unintended changes to your financial records. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to viewing and handling deleted or voided invoices or bills in Xero. Keep in mind that these steps help you maintain